Let's go. Alright, what is going on, you guys? Steven here, bringing you guys with a brand new video. Happy Sunday, guys. Shit. Man, I went to sleep late as hell. Gotta wake up early. Man, I'm gonna need some like coffee or something, or energy drink. Fucking tired as hell. Anyways, how you guys doing? Today we got a special video by as you guys can see by the title and thumbnail. We got another Type R mod. It's been a minute since I installed a mod on the Type R. Maybe like, I'm trying to think when I got the exhaust put on, like 2 months ago maybe, or something like that. Most viewed video on the channel, so guys, thank you so much. I think we're at like 1,200 views, which is pretty insane, to be honest. Like, that's crazy. I'm about to head over to Elvis and Jason's house. I got it right here. We got the PRL catted downpipe. I got the AWE touring exhaust. Just to complete the exhaust, I just went ahead and got a PRL downpipe. I used them before because I had PRL front pipe downpipe on my SI, and with a MAP performance exhaust. I think it's street edition or race edition, I couldn't remember which one, and the combo sounded amazing. Yeah, that combo was really good, and I liked it. And we're gonna see how this sounds with the AWE touring exhaust. So I'm super excited, guys. Please subscribe, drop a like, comment, then follow all my social medias. You know, I'll put that here, like right here or something, like pop up. It's early as shit. It's like fucking 8:47. I kind of stalled. I just woke up. I'm like, fuck. As they do say, the early bird gets the worm or something. Oh, I don't know the fucking saying. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Congrats on him. That's dope. Now you need one.
I know, bro.
Y'all can match. Shit.
I know. I'm gonna get white if I do get one.
If you do?
At the end of the year, probably.
White, yeah.
I'm gonna get white.
White is clean. The least color I would get is black.
I was looking online, just fucking around. There's a whole bunch of black ones for sale.
You already know we at the Fast House. You know. Oh. About to open this right now. Clean. Look at this Integra. You already know it means business when it has this out the hood. Alright, here it is. Damn, it's low-key heavy. Clean.
Don't make any fucking plans on Saturday. You're gonna come in. What the fuck do you mean I'm gonna come in? Like, you're gonna come in.
I would've been pissed.
So like, fuck it. I want to tackle it right now on the top. Have a little PD left on the studs. So it works.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
So it works. Honestly, bro, I was talking to my tuner. Drive. Putting power on these is easy as fuck. It's actually like, if I do get one, right? So if I get those two, then it's like, I think 5 bolts for this shit. And boop. And then it's easy access. He's not fucking tuning.
Yeah.
Yeah, but honestly, I'll go to Drop.
That's your guy?
Yeah. So that's what everybody in the, I'm gonna put you in that group chat. I mean, all 10 of you guys and shit. All of them are.
Where is he located? Take this off right now. Remove intake and the pipe. Easy money. It's hot, right? Inlet pipe out. Charge the car up, almost done.
Piece?
Yeah.
This is all of one piece, damn near.
So 6 bolts?
6, yeah. Well, no, 7.
7?
There's 2. There's 2 each. There's 4 for the brackets. And then I got 1 left for the actual downpipe.
Okay. Everything's loose from the bottom?
Yeah, it's just that fucking t-shirt. It's just the thing is, it's fucking. They put it right fucking there.
Is it hard to reach it?
It's hard splashing.
Don't worry, I'll edit that out.
Come on, stick around with me?
Yeah.
Pick up some shit from my girl.
Yeah, remember this?
It should take forever to get up on Black Turtle. Hey, you should follow my OnlyFans, bro.
Your OnlyFans?
Yeah.
Yo one?
I get bitches tension style.
Hey bro, you need some?
What the fuck is this?
Look.
Oh shit, hell no. 1 out of 4. This is the bitch to everybody. Fucks up. Everybody fucks it up because they use an extension.
There we go. Let's go, baby.
This is that one.
My type of parts. What do you think? Not too bad?
Beast.
Heat shield is on. It's on. We gotta bolt that bitch.
She gets messy.
Okay. We're gonna start it up right now. Basically almost done. We're pretty much done, right?
Yeah, just this bitch ass bolt.
Put everything back together. Can't wait to drive it, see how it sounds. I'll get some clips 5 hours later. No.
You know, SpongeBob is like, can you be vlogging?
Yeah.
got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
What's it called?
Hold it. Yeah, hold it. HOLDAT.
I think that's me.
It does, yeah.
It sounds louder.
Sounds different. I can hear it, yeah.
Huh? Yeah, I know.
Did you hear it? Can you tell the difference? Alright guys, I'll let Jason do the honors with the new downpipe. Sheesh. Alright. Scraping. Oh, sorry. Car right there. Which way are you going?
That one.
Okay. I don't know. You need to show me. Yeah. You did really?
Yeah, I believe I just fucking did it and fucking built the boost. This one is not letting me. I almost gets lucky though. All his shit are always unicorns. His clutch, yeah, stock ass fucking clutch holding full bolt time, 85.
Yeah.
Never slipped.
That's the.
And his shit, look at it. He gets his type 1, we're able to brake boost it. Because it's supposed to be a myth that you can't brake boost these shits.
Huh?
It does pick up better with the downpipe.
Yeah?
Yeah. You'll beat him.
There's no way he'll win?
Probably beat him by like a car. Half a car. Because he raced Raul and they're like kind of head to head.
Is Raul stock or what is he?
Raul has intake and exhaust.
Oh, okay.
But intake and exhaust don't do shit to your car. Power wise. gonna drive with his hat. I don't think it's.
That's sitting close, yeah.
Who the fuck? You gonna make it break loose? It just it cuts off. Alright, man.
You got it?
Yeah.
You're the master, huh?
Shit. You gotta have that touch.
Can you feel a difference or you can't?
Yeah, you feel how it left instantly?
Yeah.
When you don't brake boost, say with the car, it takes a while for it to, you know, for these tensions. I realized that it's like with the car, the turbo has a spool until it starts going. Like it'll go, but you know it won't go as aggressive as it is when it's on full boost.
Yeah.
So when you brake boost, the boost, all the 20 pounds of boost. I'm gonna do it for Jason, so I can show him how fucking he can do it.
Oh man.
You see how I was to cut it?
Yeah, I felt, yep.
Yeah.
Exactly. He's trying to.
Yeah, I saw when I recorded the video. Cause I got on top of the bridge to record.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So I have the legit flyby from the top.
Nice. My type of angles.
For real. It got a little blurry because it focused on the fucking fence.
Oh, motherfucker.
As soon as you pass though, it fucking could have. Like.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm using my phone for the outro. I realized I didn't do one as I'm editing the video. Shout out to Jason for hooking it up. He knows what he's doing. I trust him, so he did an amazing job. I like the combo. Shout out to Elvis as well. He drove the car too. Y'all are real ones. I really like how this video came out. So please, 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 go crazy on this video like you guys did on the exhaust video, because that one has like almost 1,300 views. It's crazy. And yeah, I'm super excited about this video. Oh my god. And for the next installments, I'm probably gonna go with a PRL flex fuel kit and a Honda. That's what they recommended. I'll probably be close, plus with a tune, probably close to 400 wheel horsepower. So I don't know when I'm gonna get those. Just bear with me. But that should be the next mods for the R. I'm gonna go with them Thursday, so you guys will see them in the video again. They're gonna get their cars tuned. It should be a fun time. I'm gonna vlog it and everything, get some sick footage. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'll put Jason's IG right here, and I'll put Elvis's too, maybe like right here or something. That's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.